Okay, welcome back to my channel guys. Ating kamote eating contest. Kamote saging eating contest with mango. Yan. Let's try the banana turon. Yan. This one is may langgam or ants. The purple one, kamote, sweet potato. The yellow one or white sweet potato. This one is banana turon. It's sweet potato wrapped in crisps. Yan. Saka we have green mango. Now it became yellow with bagoong. Pictures for today. Channel pictures for today is number 1, Angel Heaven Vlog. Okay. So ito si Angel Heaven Vlog. I don't know kung saan siya, sa Hong Kong or Taiwan. Sa Chinese part of the Chinese country. State. Yan. Okay, vlog natin to. Yung Pucha Korean. Yan. I-vlog na ba? I-play natin to. Let's play one of his video. Okay. Latest video of Angel. Ito naman sa kabila si Ma'am Hanipay. Happy Homes and Beauty. Shout out din kay Ma'am Hanipay. Binigyan tayo ng blessings. Shout out Ma'am. Thank you for your maganda yung loob mo. Kalooban. Anong tawag doon? Generosity. Yan. Kalimutan ko na mag-English. Charot. Honey Homes. Ito yung bagong video ni Honey Homes. Happy Homes pala. Honey and Happy Homes Beauty. Combination yun na Honey Pie and Happy Homes. Ito yung ipipictures natin ngayon si Ma'am Happy Home and Beauty. Yan. Chicken gizzard in tomato sauce. Yan ang vlog niya. Saka sa kabilang dako ng daigdig natin. Charot. This ship hit dice is from America. Ito pala si Happy Homes is from New Zealand. This one from somewhere in China, mga Chinese na country. Si Angel. Yan. Si Ship Hit pala is an American. Yan. So, shout out Ship Hit. Shout out Living After 50s. Shout out Pampatima. Shout out Drone from Life. And I'm playing with Mom, watching Mom Shen. Shout out Mom Shen. I'm playing the famous Love is a Menace Blender Kings. Yan. Galing yan. So, let's play the video of Ship Hit. And this is the new one. O yan, si Ship Hit. So, focus natin ang mukha niya, yung face, yan. Okay, let's play one of your videos, Ship Hit. Ship Hit Dice. Yan. Yan. So, tatlo sila, Ship Hit Dice, si Happy Homes, and si Angel. Yan. Okay. While waiting for the video to play, to watch, let's watch. Let's hit muna. So we have 2 fork. One is for the mango. Mango sour, and have sweet one. So nandito na sila. Si Happy Home cooking chicken gizzard. Okay. So, palain na tayo. Ito na si Angel. Angel Heaven. Angel. Kalimutan ko pa kala. Angel Heaven. Yan. Kumakain din siya sa Korean Pucha Street Dining. Mukbang. Okay. Tapos we have also the, okay, hindi pa nag-start si Hit Dice. So, shout out sa inyong tatlo. Yan, si ma'am muna. Ito. Play muna tayo kay Ma'am Shea ng isang tugtugin. Aba sa Super Troopers. Yan. La 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 la. Dito naman sa kabila, we have also, I'm playing now the video of DJM Mix Vlog. Yan. Bonus. The title of the video is Tino-Tino Damo. Lang pang paningin ng iba pero may magandang epekto. Epekto yata to. So, damo lang siya pero may magandang epekto sa ating katawan, sa katawan ng tao. Yan si Bossing from Negros siya to. Ilonggo din siya. Bisaya, Ilonggo. So, shout out Bossing. Shout out Ma'am Shen from Korea. And shout out Inting Butingting from Leyte. I think from Leyte siya. Okay. Also, shout out also to Ma'am Fatima, my what you call this, member. Shout out also to Honey Pie. Shout out Living After 50s and nakalimutan ko yung isa. Sige lang. Si John from Life. Shout out din. Shen Music Salon. So, ito na si Ma'am, yung pinipictures natin. Si Ma'am Angel Heaven or Heaven Angel. Ayan. Tapos, ito na naman si Honey. Is cooking right now. Okay. Honey Pie. Happy Homes, sorry. Happy Homes. Medyo malapit ang pangalan. Happy Home and Beauty. Ang isa si Honey Pie. Yan. Okay. So, now he's cooking gizzard. Yan. Gizzard. Kabila naman si Chef Hit. Yan. Nag-unboxing siya. So, si Chef Hit, yan, kaibigan na ni Ma'am Fatima yan. Fatima Living After 50s. Yan sila, ka-group nila yan. Okay. So, don't forget to visit their channel also. So, ito si Ma'am Living After 50s. Yan. Meron pa isa niyan, kalimutan ko pa, tingnan natin na. Let's eat muna. Ito, yung saging. Ganado ako sa saging. Sarap. Hindi ako kumakain ng shrimp kasi may asthma ko. I have asthma. I don't want to eat French. Shrimp. French. I don't want to eat French. I don't want to eat bagoong shrimp. This is shrimp. Yan, with coloring. Okay. So, let's go back to Chef Hit Dice. Chef Hit. Yan. Yun ang title niya. Then, si Happy Home Beauty. Let's go back to Happy Home Video. Yan. And then, si Ma'am Angel Heaven. So, nagkumain siya. So, nagmumukbang siya ng Korean. Lamon. Lamon na, parang kuan yan, Bisaya. Lamon is eating ba? Eating mukbang yan sa Bisaya. Lamon. So, lamon, sarap. It's mean eating, in English, lamon is eating, sarap is yummy. Okay. So, next vlog tayo guys, maya.